Picture hiring a highly capable software engineer who works instantly and knows every programming language in existence. Now, imagine that this exact same engineer takes every single instruction you give them entirely literally. That is precisely what it is like to use Claude Code. Claude Code is an artificial intelligence assistant that lives directly on your computer, allowing you to build software projects without manually typing out computer code. Because the AI handles the manual implementation, the primary technical skill you need for 2026 is no longer writing code. Instead, your job is effectively managing and delegating tasks to this fast, literal-minded assistant. You will interact with this assistant inside a workspace called a terminal. A terminal is simply a plain text interface where you type commands directly into your computer. You usually open this window inside software like VS Code. VS Code stands for Visual Studio Code, which is a popular, free application used by developers to organize their project files. If you have never used a terminal before, it can look intimidating. But underneath the dark background and plain text, it is really just a basic chat window, stripped of fancy graphics. Learning to navigate this plain text environment allows you to coordinate complex file changes and system updates on your machine. By speaking directly to the computer's file system, you can start directing the AI to build the individual components of a project. Because your digital intern lacks human intuition, you must be careful how you give instructions. If you type a vague request, like build an app, the AI will try to fill the gaps on its own, and the result will likely be an average, run-of-the-mill product. Plan mode solves this. It stops the AI from rushing to write code, forcing it to ask clarifying questions first. When a vague instruction hits this filter, it branches out into specific questions about your goals, features, and target audience. You can guide the AI even further by ending prompts with a simple question. What would an expert think about this? Asking this forces the AI to check for beginner blind spots you might have missed, like ignoring essential security features or skipping over data privacy rules. Even with careful planning, AI models have a known weakness. They lack visual taste. Left to their own devices, they default to generic, unappealing front-end design. Front-end design refers to the visual layout, colors, and buttons that a user interacts with on a website. You can fix this using skills. They are pre-written text prompts, acting like instant training seminars, teaching the AI modern best practices. Watch what happens when you install an official front-end design skill. As the skill module slides in, it applies proper spacing and contrast, turning a boring wireframe into a polished UI, the complete visual layout a person navigates. Great software does not emerge from a single prompt. You sculpt it intentionally by combining rigorous planning questions with highly specific skill upgrades. As you work, your intern keeps track of your conversation inside a context window. A context window is the AI's working memory limit, functioning like a physical desk where all your current project files and chat histories are kept. Context watt is the drop in an AI's performance as its memory fills up, plummeting after 200,000 tokens. Fix this by typing /clear. It wipes the temporary memory clean, restoring peak performance without deleting actual code files. Memory management is important, but you also have to consider the financial cost. Relying constantly on premium cloud models hosted by Anthropic can generate a bill of up to $200 a month for a heavy user. Anthropic is the artificial intelligence research company that created the Claude family of models. You can bypass that entirely by using open-source local models. Open source means the underlying code is publicly available for anyone. You access these free models using a tool called Ollama. Ollama is a free application that lets you run large artificial intelligence models directly on your own computer's hardware. Because these models run entirely on your local machine, your prompts and files never get sent to a cloud server, ensuring your data remains private. Managing your AI's memory limits and choosing the right computing backend is what separates a costly hobby from a sustainable professional workflow. The greatest risk of having an AI write your code is the temptation to become an accept monkey. This happens when you blindly approve every suggestion the AI makes without understanding the underlying logic. If you encounter a software concept you do not understand, you must ask the AI to explain it to you in simple terms. If you fail to do this, your project will eventually reach a level of complexity that you cannot troubleshoot or expand. Your value is no longer in the typing. Your true role is the director. You are responsible for defining the goal, setting the rules, and verifying the logic, while the AI executes the manual labor. To take on that role today, start with 3 simple steps. Download a code editor, open the terminal window, and activate plan mode. While the manual labor of writing code has been automated, the responsibility for the final architecture remains with you. Success in 2026 isn't about knowing the right language, it's about knowing how to manage your digital intern to produce the right results.